Yeah, I'll get the body ready, lift it up. Get all the body bushings ready. Wheel it over there and set it down. I hope. Now, go to your right and go back. Now go to your left. Hard left, forward. Perfect. Thank you.
And then leave it on the lift, or is your plan to smack some random wheels and tires on it so it can roll? Or are you going to take the body back off? You're going to leave the body on for a minute so you can start wiring the stuff, correct? Or no?
Well, yeah, forever, I think. Yeah. I hope.
I hope.
My lifetime.
Okay, just to be clear, because it didn't actually sink in until you just said it. This is potentially like the final time that the body is actually going to be put on. That's really exciting. That's a big step.
It's a big step. I'm not going to bolt it down all the way in case we do get the motors and stuff and we decide to, and we get some tires.
These are just retainers. They're not going to stay because once we get the brakes, they come with their own. They have a little, like, some type of, I don't know what you call it. But it pushes in on the seal so it doesn't leak.
Okay.
So these are just to hold it in for now, so we roll it over there.
Yeah, I'll be home at 6. Should never say that around here out loud.
What does that adjustment do?
Camera caster. So it brings it in. I still got some adjustment, so I think I should be okay, I hope. The way of the car, it should be at about 0 camber. That's all he needs. Hey, Ken. Want to give me a hand? Let's pick this up and we're gonna wheel it under there like a, yeah, right. Come get these jack stands, Jerry. Ready? Oh, fuck. Let's hurry. Hurry the fuck up. We gotta swing around.
Backwards.
Ready? Go. Go to your right. Hard right, hard right, hard right. Oh shit, sorry.
Oh my God.
Turn the wheels, Yuri, please. Drop the teeth, drop the stand, drop the stand. Okay, now get your jack stands. We're gonna have to drop. Well, I mean, we gotta go forward. Gotta go over that way. Okay. All right. I don't know. No, I just moved it. Looks nice and centered here. Just watch it. It's super close. How's it look?
Well, it's like that wood block is getting real close to the frame.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Tighten that micro so I can see exactly how much space you have. I don't think we have any space. A little bit. Well, it's gonna clear. Barely.
I mean, it's barely gonna clear all the way around.
So much tension.
Yep. No pressure.
Good?
I'm good. Alright, hold on. Stop. Now you gotta go towards Katie. Just a hair.
In the back?
There. That'll clear now.
Yeah, but the
Wherever you-
front's gotta go over. I'm gonna hit right here.
You gotta go that way.
No, your way.
Towards me.
Yep.
You gonna pull on the tire?
Just a little. Okay. Oh, okay. No, no. Yeah, just a tiny.
Sorry.
Easy hurt.
Oh, wow, I just took the other one. The other one's just so heavy.
I know. Let me see. You got plenty of clearance. Okay, come. Gotta go back?
Yeah. Right there. That's a little too much, actually.
What?
A little more forward.
That's too much. Should get us close.
Oh yeah, we gotta go back over your way.
My
A
way?
smidge. A little more. Right there. Or no, we're pretty damn good. Looks pretty good right there. Everything look clear?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, the chassis gotta go back too. Just easy. Yeah, no, it's gotta come up. Okay, it's gotta go back for sure. Oh, right there. Your rear running board mounts, the bolts sticking out of the side of the frame. On the side, outside of the frame.
Can you sit in the body?
Mine looks like it is. I think we're gonna have to put like button head bolts.
Just fucking super short.
Well, now we got, well, I don't think we had washers, lock washers. You know what I mean? They're just sticking out too far.
Anything off?
Yeah, and I'm not gonna worry about it. We're done for the night. Oh, fuck.
Is it going to clear with the bolts for the running board mounts?
No, I gotta put some button heads or something. Always a pain.
So what you need to do is either weld those on, basically, or
No.
do a different.
No, just put a button head or something on them. Yeah, just a flat bolt. No problem. I'm just not gonna do it tonight.
Just one more thing after you just dislocated your back, pretending to be the Hulk.
Yeah.